Glutathione. What is it? Where does it come from? Why do we have low levels of it? And what can we do to increase our glutathione levels? Glutathione is the mother of all antioxidants, meaning all antioxidants which destroy free radicals, which I'll talk a little bit more about later when I talk to you about glutathione. It's the mother of all antioxidants. Every single antioxidant depends on glutathione in order to function properly. We produce trillions of free radicals every single day because that's just our metabolic processes. Eating even the best quality of food, we produce tons of free radicals. There's no getting around that. So what we want to do is take actions, eat foods, live certain lifestyles to help our body destroy as many free radicals as it can. So that can slow the aging process, slow the cellular destruction process, and improve our overall metabolic health and efficiency. So what exactly is glutathione? It is, of course, the master antioxidant. It's made up of these three amino acids: glutamic acid, cysteine, and glycine. So already we're seeing that if we make sure to eat adequate amounts of protein from high-quality sources, organic foods, wild-caught fish, grass-fed, pastured animals, good quality eggs, that we're already giving our body a fighting chance to produce more glutathione. Nowadays, we have chronic low levels of glutathione, and that's not good for our cellular health. And one of the main reasons that happens is glutathione, believe it or not, is mostly produced in the body. So that is a great thing. We don't have to try to supplement or try to find foods with glutathione or glutathione precursors in it. But if we are eating processed foods, we're not sleeping well, we're not exercising, we're overweight, lots of pesticides, conventionally fed animal products, all those things are going to make it very difficult for our bodies to produce glutathione because what it's made out of is amino acids, protein, if we're not eating good quality protein or we're not eating the vitamins and minerals needed for protein synthesis and the transport of amino acids, then we will inhibit that glutathione process. All right? So what exactly does glutathione do? We know what it's made of. We know that we're having low levels of it nowadays. It protects cells. And so, like I said before, free radicals destroy cellular health. So what free radicals do is they enter the mitochondria and they kind of break down the cell. They lead to cellular death, essentially. So it protects the cells and the mitochondria function. If we remember what mitochondria is, it's that little powerhouse in our cells that produce ATP, which helps boost our metabolism. And when we boost our metabolism, we increase our health, increase our immunity, and help our body lose weight, burn fat, create lean muscle tissue, the metabolic active muscle tissue that's going to burn the fat off that we want. It helps detoxify, and so what it does, it binds to certain toxins like xenobiotics, which are very estrogen in nature. It binds those toxins, helps them remove out of the body. If our liver is overloaded from too much alcohol, too many toxins, again, that process is not going to happen as efficiently. It detoxifies drugs and carcinogens. Carcinogens, as we know, are cancer causers. Increased glutathione levels will help get rid of more of those. We have tons of carcinogens in our environment and our foods nowadays. We got to do everything we can to maintain our glutathione and help boost it. So we talked about mitochondria function. Our ATP, our metabolism is happening there. It boosts immunity by helping increase our amount of T cells, which is essentially our first line of defense when we have foreign invaders in our body. Just as a byproduct of improving our metabolism and metabolic health, our immunity is going to be boosted. If your temperature is not at a certain level consistently, your body is susceptible to illnesses, to allergies, to asthma. I had asthma when I was young, and I started doing things that helped improve my glutathione levels and a lot of other things involving food and lifestyle habits and all that stuff. And now I don't have any asthma, I don't have any allergies, live an awesome life, and I believe one of the reasons is because I improved my glutathione levels. Increased glutathione helps with protein synthesis, amino acid transport. So these kind of go hand in hand since it's actually made up of amino acids. But what this does in relation to your healthy weight loss is it helps increase the amount of lean muscle tissue. And remember, muscles burns fat. Our fat cells, when we exercise, when we eat really well, are transported to our muscles, and our muscles essentially burns them. It's like a fly trap, one of those electrical things where the flies go in and zaps them out. Your muscle is that electrical thing. The fat cells go in there, zap, gone. Breathe them out as CO2, believe it or not. That's another video. But the main thing and the biggest reason why you should be very concerned with your glutathione levels is it helps lower oxidative stress. Now, oxidative stress is one of those things that when you look at diseases, all diseases have that one thing in common where it's increased oxidative stress. And so glutathione levels help lower that, which makes a lot of sense because oxidative stress is from too many free radicals and very poor cell health. If your cells are healthy, your metabolism will be healthy and your body will be healthy. When you're talking about your aesthetics, your outer view is a perception of exactly what's going on in your internal physiology. If you're overweight, your skin is unhealthy, it's all what's going on inside, from digestion to thyroid health, adrenal gland health, everything is connected. But everything is connected to this oxidative stress. So let's try to increase and improve and be very aware of our glutathione levels. You can either go get them tested, or you can just understand that if you're not living a good life, you're not sleeping well, you're not eating the right foods, organic foods in the right ratios, organic meats, that type of stuff, you can pretty much bet that your glutathione levels are not where they should be, or not where they're supposed to be. All right, so make those changes. The reason I shot this video is so you can become glutathione aware, just like you should be calorie aware, protein aware that this is happening in your body right now. And if you don't address it and you don't think about all these things, your levels are going to be low, your aging is going to be accelerated. Who wants that? Your cells are not going to be healthy, your muscles are not going to be made, and you're not going to burn fat. So as you can see, there's a lot to think about when it comes to your healthy weight loss. And that's the reason I always put healthy when I talk about weight loss, because you first want to create health in order to lose weight, not the other way around. Create health first, address your metabolism and your immunity, and your weight loss will come. If you need help with your glutathione awareness and figuring out exactly where you are to figure out where you want to be, I'd love to help you out. Let's hop on the phone, click the link below to apply for a strategy session. Just fill out a quick questionnaire so I can get an idea about where you're at and see if we'd be a good fit to work with each other. If we are, I have a couple of programs that I could offer you that I can help you achieve your goals, and specifically with this, talk about your glutathione levels, your cellular health, and what exactly you are doing to impact this, because we are all individuals. We do different things that have different impacts on our health. So I appreciate you watching this video. If you have any questions, let me know. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Click that link below if you're interested in chatting more about glutathione or other areas in your life that might need addressing to help you lose weight in a healthy, long-term, sustainable way. I'll talk to you soon. Thanks.